Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. To the disclaimer, this video doesn't contain any picture perfect scenes, as this video is all about rebuilding my motorcycle engine and cost and what did really happen to it. So other day, while returning back from my native Kerala to Bengaluru, nearing to Madurai, my dummy engine broke down to a weird sound as you hear now. And with this sound, I had to call my mechanic friend Prasad, and he guided me not to drive any longer. And he also insisted me to try to repair it somewhere there itself. Left with no options, I had to drive till Hosur and get it towed back. A few days later, on dismantling the engine, we found that the engine's piston lining was worn away and the head valve is also worn away, which might have because of overheated. And that's where I started collecting all the spares for my rebuild from Raju at Bajaj showroom in 8th mile. 50,000 kilometers of your engine service warranty in showroom is crucial to have the engine warranty claimed, while I am not eligible for this because I had serviced my motorcycle by myself. And now I have left with no options to get the spares, which included engine piston block, engine's head block, and coming on to the crankshaft, since that we have a new piston and the head block, as I have no idea in the future to sell the bike to buy a new motorcycle, as I am very strict in my finance, as I have only my primary source of income and not my secondary source of income from YouTube or any other sources. And that's where I am ordering a spares of nearly costing 30,000, including the clutch kit also. Block piston, it is around 4k, and here coming to this head cylinder, there is around 5.7, and here the crankshaft assembly 5.3, clutch assembly 4.6. so that's the highest bill that you can see here. That's around, total bill is around 26,401. And the engine oil also 10W50 module, that's from the KTM 1580. so got it from Qraj. Crankshaft sleeve, which sits at the piston extender to the crankshaft, is not included. As I said earlier, I have no idea to sell my Zuluk in the near future. And now from here is my experience on my engine rebuild. If you like this video, do share it with your dummy friends, as this might be an informative for them as not to get into issues like this. And on assembling back the engine with all the new spares in back set, on the first rail start, we found that the radiator is not powering on upon reaching a certain temperature. Upon analyzing more in it, as we have already changed the coolant and the oil temperature sensors, we found that the connector wiring which leads to the radiator fan had aged away and corrosion thinning had already happened, which led intermittently working the fan. And that's where the whole tragedy of this expenditure and efforts were all broken. There is no strange fact to prove that this is electrical and mechanical combination, and nothing can be done, as that's a warranty plays a crucial role upon. And now I have a new life to my Zuluk. It's got a new piston block. All the life signs of the new bike has to be followed by me. No ripping of the engine until I pass few kilometers. No doing long drives, no doing continuous kilometers, which affects in the engine life again. That's where you couldn't find any videos on the perfect scenes from few weeks. Thanks for your time. I will see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself. This time I did not leave my silencer also. I changed my silencer into a KTM silencer. I'll just show you how it cranks up. This is a KTM Adventure silencer. And listen to the flute now. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಒಂದಾವ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ನಡೆಸೋದು ಬಿಡಿ. ಹೊಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. Months this was finally fixed. I took 6 months to fix this. एक के ऊपर मत रख रहे, स्क्रैचेस होएगा. We have received on the part of rebuilding. We have received the top rack after powder coating, and the engine guards are all there. Say silver, nice silver, no? The coating is come out very good, so I will leave the address in the description. This is done from rainbow powder coating. It's in Peenya. See this Peenya. See this color is nice. It's nice, no? Okay, so it's come out very good. So I have this also pending. So this is with see, this is with sand blasted, so you can see the rust there, but this is powder coated. See the quality here. Something has happened here. That's okay. Small errors will be there, so that's okay. Nice, no? So he took 500 for this one and the engine carry also, but this is yet to be pending. So peace.
I spend countless hours to create experiences like this. Your likes, comments and subscriptions helps me reach more audiences. Appreciate your support as always. Cash_traveler